Happy Sunday, y'all. So, stopped by the store at the church. So, I went to Kroger. So, I got my cilantro. What I'm doing tonight is a Chipotle bowl. So, I start here. So, I got my Roma tomatoes. I got my red onion, cilantro, lime. That's to make my pico with. I got my 3 apples to start my week off. My cosmic apples. This is my first time seeing them at Kroger. They were two something kind of thing. I'm making the strawberry cakes, and I share my recipe. This seemed heavier than the regular 3 point something ounces though, but I usually use the Jello brand strawberry, but I went ahead and got this. They were 4 for $1, and these are the big boxes. But on share y'all there was strawberry recipe. I've actually had people to ask me to make it and want me to sell it to them, but I made it. I got this Ghirardelli chocolate brownie mix. They used to have the triple, but now they have ultimate. I got the chili lime season. This is going on my chicken. I got this for to make guacamole. I had bought for 99 cents 7 avocados, so I'm going to use them to make this guac. They say only use 2. But they not real large. They say use 2 right. They say right. Okay. I got me some chili though, because one day I may do some. I add this to my 2 alarm chili mix. This give it the thickness that it needs. I like icing on my brownies, so I got the Ghirardelli chocolate. Y'all, these were $4 each, $3.99, and then this was $2.99, so that was $11. I got Kroger got the raspberries this week. 99 cents each, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. I got me a juicer. Y'all know I'm substituting. I do I don't have my peanuts. I do peanuts and apples in the morning, and a salad. I try to do a salad at lunch, and I might start juicing and just having like with the salad for lunch, or whatever. And I got me some browning sauce. I was out. I've started using that in my gravy. It's not a whole lot because I don't want anything to alter the taste of the fresh food. I got this from that Daily Deal. This is a 100-foot, what you call it, y'all? Garden hose. But it also has an adapter so you can add another garden hose to this. I wish now I would have gotten 2. And then I ordered this from Amazon. It's some pantry dividers. You can also use them in your refrigerator. So I'm just trying to get better organized. Y'all know I purchased my food and stuff is, I'm not, like I said, I don't even have to shop. This is just little extra stuff. Like this is actually for next month because I'm doing special, we're doing a special dinner for the community for Easter month. All right, y'all, that's all I have. Not very much. Just want to stop by and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. Just continue to spread love, light, and kindness wherever you go. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my